Have you ever needed an extra burner while cooking a big family meal, or found yourself living somewhere without a full kitchen? Whether you're in a dorm room, an RV, a small apartment, or even working from an office kitchenette, having just one reliable cooking surface can make everyday life a whole lot easier. The challenge is finding a portable burner that's dependable without taking up too much space. Today we're taking a closer look at the Elite Gourmet Countertop Electric Burner, a compact 1000-watt hot plate designed for students, campers, RV owners, small apartment dwellers, and anyone who needs an extra cooking surface. It promises consistent heating, simple controls, and compatibility with most cookware, all while fitting comfortably on almost any countertop. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is its compact, no-nonsense design. Instead of trying to look overly modern or packed with unnecessary features, this burner focuses on practicality. The cast iron heating plate feels sturdy and durable, giving you confidence that it can handle regular everyday cooking. Despite its solid construction, the overall unit remains lightweight enough to move between your kitchen, RV, campsite, or office without much effort. Its small footprint is another major advantage. If counter space is limited, this burner easily fits into places where a traditional stovetop simply isn't an option. The non-skid rubber feet also help keep the unit stable during cooking, reducing unwanted movement while stirring soups or flipping eggs. Small details like the power indicator light provide extra peace of mind by clearly showing when the burner is still hot. In everyday use, the Elite Gourmet performs exactly as most people expect from a portable electric burner. The 1000-watt heating element warms up fairly quickly and provides enough power for common cooking tasks like boiling water, frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, heating canned soup, or simmering sauces. While it isn't designed to compete with a high-powered induction cooktop, it handles daily cooking surprisingly well for its size. The 7 heat settings also make it much easier to control cooking temperatures. Whether you're gently warming leftovers or bringing a pot of water to a boil, adjusting the temperature feels straightforward and responsive. Instead of cycling unpredictably between extremely hot and barely warm, the burner maintains relatively consistent heat, making it easier to cook with confidence. One feature that's especially convenient is the compatibility with nearly all common cookware. Unlike induction cooktops that require magnetic pots and pans, this cast iron burner works with stainless steel, aluminum, ceramic, cast iron, and many other cookware materials. That flexibility means you probably won't need to buy any new cookware just to start using it. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. Once the burner has completely cooled, the cast iron plate can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, while the smooth exterior requires very little maintenance. Since there are no complicated controls or glass surfaces to worry about, keeping it clean takes only a few minutes after cooking. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. Because it uses a traditional cast iron heating element, it doesn't heat as quickly as some induction cooktops, and the burner remains hot for a while after being turned off. It's also best suited for smaller meals rather than preparing multiple dishes at once. If you're cooking for a large family every day, a full-size stove will naturally offer greater convenience. Compared with similarly priced portable burners from brands like Cuisinart, Ovente, or IMUSA, the Elite Gourmet stands out thanks to its durable cast iron plate, reliable temperature control, simple operation, and decades of brand experience. It may not include advanced digital controls, but its straightforward design makes it dependable and easy to use for almost anyone. Overall, the Elite Gourmet Countertop Electric Burner is an excellent choice for students, RV travelers, campers, apartment renters, and anyone looking for an affordable extra burner. It's compact, dependable, easy to operate, and versatile enough for a wide range of everyday cooking tasks. If you need restaurant-level cooking power, you'll probably want a larger cooktop. But for portable convenience and reliable everyday performance, this burner delivers excellent value. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews every week. And if you're thinking about adding a portable burner to your kitchen, RV, or dorm, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability before any current deals end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.